everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So I debated over doing a little 2021 treat box, but I thought, you know what? This year we really need to have something because like this box says, this calls for confetti. How many of you are so ready to get rid of 2020? Everybody. I really am so ready to start a new year. It's looking brighter. So I hope that it's going to be a good year. And I wish everybody a happy new year, a healthy new year, and many blessings for the new year. So anyway, this is what I'm making. I thought it'd be really cute to put some really cute little colorful candies in it. It's really a fun little box. I love this glimmer paper. I've been dying to use it, and I thought it'd be perfect for this because isn't it cute? So let's go ahead. I'm going to tell you what we need for this. So you're going to need a piece. I'm doing this one Mango Melody because I haven't used this in a long time. And I'm so ready for something cheerful. So this is 10 by 5. I'm using this rainbow glimmer paper. So it's this. This is the one that doesn't shed. So I did have a piece already cut. And so this is what we're going to use for underneath the 2020. And we're going to do a half circle with that. And I am using the stitch shape dies. And we're using the circles. We're using the largest stitch shape and the next size for this. So you can, I just cut this in down at 3 inches, and then you can make all different colors with this. It'd be really cute to have a whole rainbow of them. And then for the sentiment, I'm using the So Sentimental. This calls confetti, and I absolutely believe this year does. And then these are the stitch shapes. We're using the circles. And then we are using, for the 2012, we're using the Playful Alphabet, which has 1 through 0 in here as well. And it's got some little symbols too. If you don't have this one, you're missing out. This has been an awesome set for me. It's well worth paying for this set. And then what else are we using? We are using Mango Melody and Melon Mambo for this one. So we'll see what this one turns out to be. I'm also using the Basic Gray magnets. And I got these on Amazon, but I looked for these because these were the last. I had this one and the one I used on that box, enough for just 2 boxes. I was looking to buy some more, and Amazon did not have them. So I'll put in the video here where I got these because I can't remember the name, but I just put the Basic Gray small magnets in my Google search, and that came up, and they came right away and everything. It was really, really nice. So I ordered 3 of them because I use these a lot for boxes. All right, let's first score our piece that we need for the box. This is really a pretty easy box, so you can make these pretty quickly. All right, so we are going to score on the 10-inch side. You're going to score it at 2, 3, 6, and 7. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it on the 5-inch side at 1 and 4. And that is it. All right, so make sure that when you cut this, you cut the smaller end because this is longer. This is a 3-inch, I believe it's 3 inches here. This is shorter. So you want to cut on this side, and you want to cut these off right here. And then you want to cut this one on this side as well. Now I kept these top flaps because I like to tuck these in the inside of the box. I just think it looks much cleaner if they're in there. If you don't want to, you can cut them totally off, but you're going to have a little gap, and I don't like to see the gap. So I'm cutting these down like that on these top ones. So I'm cutting them really short so they fold in the box nicely. And then we're going to cut these. And these I'm just going to cut in here. And then that is it. We are ready to put this together. But first we have to bring the cut and emboss up here so we can make the little flap. But like I said, if you want to just leave the flap square like this and then just cut your glimmer paper just square, do that if you want. But I just wanted to make it a little bit fancy, so that's why I am using these other dies, these stitch shapes. It's a fun little box, and I just really wanted to do something for the new year because we definitely need some fun. All right, so I'm bringing the cut and emboss up here. I love this machine. So we are going to take our largest one right here, and you're gonna just set it on here like this. We are partial cutting, so you just want it up at the edge right there. And then you're gonna take this plate and you're only putting it halfway. So you're putting it halfway on this. Here's our score line, so it's just halfway. And then we're gonna run this through. Now sometimes you have to just hold on to that and then run it through. And it's just gonna cut that top part right there. We're gonna cut the rest in just a second. I'll show you that, but let's go ahead and run the glimmer paper through. So we are going to, I think I'm gonna do it this way. You don't need this whole piece. I'm just gonna cut it like this, and then we'll trim the excess off if we need to. So this is gonna fit inside here, and we're gonna trim the rest off, and I'll show you that in just a second. So let's move this back out of the way. And we're ready to put this together. So let's grab, I'm just gonna grab my little snips, and I'm just cutting right across here to that. Okay, now let's put this together. We're only putting adhesive right here. So I am gonna use, you can use your tear and tape. I'm gonna use the Stampin' Seal Plus for this. You can use wet glue if you want, and then just tuck these all in and pull it up. Line up your sides. And then what I do is I just tuck these inside, and it gives you a nice clean finish on the outside here. So you're not seeing inside. You don't have to do that. Like I said, if you want to cut them off, you can cut them off. All right, so let's grab our magnets here. So you need one positive and one negative. These are the best magnets, and they're pretty darn strong. So we are going to put, has a backing on it. If sometimes I'll add a little bit of glue to the back of it, but I'm not going to. This box is not going to be hard to open. But if you have one, that will. And then we're going to just attach this one to the other side. So I'm just going to set it on top of this one. You can see how strong they are. And then I'm going to press this on here. Sometimes it's a bit hard to do it this way, but let's see if it'll, yeah, it grabbed. Sometimes it doesn't really want to grab. And you may have to put it on one side and then do the other, just estimate. But see how nice it closes? It's perfect. All right, so now let's get our glimmer paper, and I'm going to use wet glue for this. And I'm going to set this on here. And we're just going to trim off the excess that's overlapped here. And of course, one of my neighbors is mowing. I don't know why they're mowing today, but all right. So I already cut out the 2021 because I had to cut out 2 of the number 2s because they only had 1 in there. So we're going to put this on next. I don't want to squeeze it too hard. Every time I squeeze it too hard, like a bunch will come flying out. All right, so here's 2. And I'm just setting them on there so I can kind of wiggle them around and get them exactly where I want them. So I'm just going to set it down. I like to kind of stagger them a little bit. Kind of makes it a little bit more whimsical. This is why I don't push it down a lot until it's got them where I want them. And the liquid glue works best on this glimmer paper. All right, so then we just got the 1 to go. My glue does not want to work today. All right, so we're going to leave it like that. So we got our 2021 on there. You're going to need a piece. I don't think I said how big this is. This piece is 3/4 by 3, and then this is 7/8 by 3, the basic black. So we are going to stamp our sentiment with Memento Black. And this calls for confetti. See if I can get it good. Yeah, did pretty good. You can even color in these letters, but I just thought I'd leave it plain. And then I'm using my Mango Melody. And I need to grab my little chamois, my Simply chamois, because I'm going to change colors here. So we're going to do some Mango Melody. By the way, this is dirty, but it cleans just as well, so you don't have to change it so often. And then we need some here. And we'll close these up. So just use whatever color coordinates with your box that you're making. I'm just going to put some more Stampin' Seal Plus on the back there. I'm going to line it up on this basic black. And then we're going to put this on the front of the box. I need to trim that. And then we'll put this right here. Really quick and easy. And you need them quick and easy for right now, but look at how fun. Aren't those fun? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Next is coming Valentine's because it's been killing me. I'm going to probably post a haul that I have from the new mini catalog coming out in January. I think it starts January 5th or 6th. I can't remember. I got quite a haul. So we are going to do that, probably post it Monday, and then we're going to start some new projects. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.